Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're chilling with the girl Patricia in Tombia Gwandlovu. Today we're doing okay, let me do the intros. Introduce yourself.
Why don't you introduce me? You invited me.
I'm bored. Okay, so guys, this is Papi. He's my partner.
What kind of introduction is that?
Okay, introduce yourself here.
I'm Papi.
Yeah.
I'm your partner.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, so today what we're doing, this video was motivated actually by Unozibele, right? Unozi.
Who is Nosy?
Kiki, this other lady, I love her YouTube channel. Kapiloka, forget that one, all the while that HIV thing, all the while that was cool.
Okay.
That couples challenge.
Guys, let's put it on a record that whatever the questions you went through, I never.
No. I haven't went through any questions. I just went on Google and I googled like couples most burning questions, right? So it will be the first time as well I'm reading these questions, right? The first question. So you're gonna I'm gonna ask the question, you're gonna answer, then I'm gonna answer as well.
Okay.
We're both gonna answer the same question.
You caught me off guard. You Googled the questions. You didn't tell me about the game. Okay. But
okay.
It's fine. I'll play. It's not fatal. Yeah.
Couples most burning questions, it's questions that probably couples want to ask each other, but they never do.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the burning questions. So the first one says, okay, what's an ideal weekend for you?
An ideal weekend for me.
Yes.
Is a weekend where we're sitting, both of us. Maybe a picnic weekend for both of us, or maybe a weekend where we'll be sitting indoors watching movies with snacks and
And what?
Bev.
And Bev. Okay, my ideal weekend as well will be the same. Like sitting indoors, watching movies, eating, drinking, and chatting and having fun. That's my ideal weekend as well. So the second question is, if you had one day left to live on the earth, what would you do?
One day left on the earth, what would I do?
Yes.
To remind everyone close to my heart that I love them, then make amends, then pray for forgiveness from God. You know what's gonna happen on the other side.
Okay.
So,
yeah. So also I would first ask for forgiveness from God, and I would make sure that I do that one thing that I've been wanting to do, meaning today it will be my last day doing the Brinyakos. I'll make sure today the whole day. I get Rababai-san.
So you're gonna give me 1 year?
Not 1, 10.
Oh, 10. Okay.
I get Rababai-san. I like last day on earth. Yes. So the other question says, which animal do you think is your spirit animal?
You know it.
Which one?
You know it.
I don't.
A lion.
Why?
Because the way a lion behaves is what I believe in. I believe a lion by nature is a leader, so I believe I'm born to lead. And I believe I'm not easily threatened, even no matter how powerful you are. So just like a lion, an elephant is bigger than a lion. But an elephant, when it sees a lion,
Ooh, guys, okay, this is Mohau, right? So, okay, now my spirit animal would be a bear.
a bear.
A reason being, a bear looks so cute. It looks harmless from a distance. It's like nkar ukainka, then bring it at home or inside and be like, oh, so no. But the minute you learn about the bear, that's when you realize that thing, it's really dangerous. So you don't need to go out there and scare people and stuff, but you must have it in you. Like for now, I love it. I don't know why.
So you are pretty but dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's the craziest job you would consider taking?
Craziest job?
Yes.
How do you define crazy? Like crazy, like fun, or maybe
crazy,
dangerous?
Yeah, crazy, like crazy. Like somebody would be like, how come? Why would you even take that job?
Yeah. Okay, the craziest job I think I can take, it's plumbing.
Okay, for me, it's feeding animals, like feeding the lions that those jobs, they cray for me, right? The other question: if you had to spend $1 million in one day, what would you buy in one day?
In one day, property.
Okay, I would also buy property. Okay, the other one says, are you still in touch with your childhood friends?
No.
Childhood, yes. Nice. Not all.
Oh, on Facebook, yes. Yeah,
Yeah, but some I even have them on WhatsApp. What's the best prank you have pulled off yet?
What you've done? We went and told people from church, house to house, that Mloja has a snake inside him. Then sometimes when he's angry, this snake is because he's controlled by the snake. Then people believed it, and they also added some fire that we also saw that when he's angry at church, his eyes they change, so it could be that snake. So that was the prank. So people believed that.
Lord, I hope he's not watching. Another prank that I've pulled, I was young. So what we did, Rinkile, or one of those soup packets, we would open them nicely, whenever I wait a grave. Then inside, we would put like sort of soil. Then then knock. Then harukokota, rebe mutafuleng, then rebali. Mara one day by Shapa, so yeah. Have you ever done something embarrassing in public?
Not that I know of.
I also can be embarrassed in public.
No, I can't remember.
Hi guys,
I can't remember. Not that I know of. There's nothing that
okay, another most embarrassing thing that I've done in public was the time my pants ditableile ko morao ko ndung.
Okay.
But I didn't see, so my friend saw. So I had to literally ankadime sort of like her jersey, then ki kwalekan. But it was embarrassing for me.
Okay.
I also go see a zippy boots when I'm in public. People like lying.
But no.
Because when now you are a victim of that,
no,
that's why I'm asking about that.
Okay, your zip is open. Like, come on.
Mona Ere, where would you rate yourself as a kisser on a scale of 1 to 10?
10. 10.
Oh, Jesus.
10. When I was
I would rate myself 10.
Why?
Because I'm a good kisser. When I the lips. But the first time,
because of me.
The first time you kiss those lips, no one believe.
No, like when I didn't believe.
When I didn't believe.
You even asked when am I coming for you to get another kiss, and you probably said I knew you are the best kisser. So you've never met the best kisser. Ever since I was the first and I was the last. So in a scale of 10, I can rate myself 20 out of 10.
Ooh, Nana. Hey, Jesus Christ. Are you listening? Eh? Okay. What kind of clothing and fashion do you find most appealing on a woman? So na kitlo araba on a man.
Okay, on a woman. You said clothes or not?
What ki diaparo tso di tholang king diaparo and fashion, like clothes and fashion that you find appealing? Dilegi?
No, not leggings. A jean or a dress, a formal dress, then with heels.
Okay. Nah. Suit without tie.
Okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, you guys, we've got this young one who wants to be on camera, and he will never. He's fine where he's sitting. So the other one says, if you had to switch lives with someone, who would you choose?
I don't understand the question. Like
If you were
someone
to
who's alive.
Yes. Or anyone, if you look at switch our lives with someone, who would you choose?
No.
Don't know. Now, if I were to switch lives, you guys, I would switch with Kim Kardashian. Woo. I would switch for days. Yeah, Felena would. Yeah.
You will sleep with that mad Kanye West.
I win. Hey, he's not mad. She's bipolar.
You will be sleeping with that bipolar guy.
Yeah.
The dreaming president.
Hey, but he has money.
I see.
If you had the superpower of invisibility, how would you use it?
Of being
invisible.
Honestly, I will go to Absa Standard Bank
and do that to
Yes,
and do that. Now, if I had powers of invisibility, I would
do the same.
I would
do the same.
Do the same?
No.
I'll do the same. So, would you rather have a super sight or super hearing?
Super sight. Eh? Super sight.
Yeah, I'd rather have super sight.
Super sight.
Would you rather stop using the internet or stop using deodorant? Wow.
As in, okay.
Choose go katlola internet or katlola deodorant.
No, I want to understand if I stop using the
internet,
the deodorant, so can I use something else?
I'll
stop using the internet.
And I'd rather stop using the deodorant. Internet, never.
Okay. So
never.
I want to bring Nigeria into South Africa.
Would you rather be the funniest person alive or the most attractive? Wow.
Attractive.
Lenai, attractive, you guys. Wow. What's the scariest place you've had sex?
Scariest.
Or awkward place. What's the awkward place you've had sex? What's that place mo kileng wa ever sex mo ileng orange?
I've only had in the car.
Ever since you were alive? When it?
Oh, never.
Never in?
Scariest.
Weirdest, okay, weirdest hair.
No. The only place
Oh.
When How do you want to hello, Nyasatin?
Hi. I got your jal.
As it's your time to.
Mau archacha ni mune.
Satin, cuckoo.
Papi, umisa kai. Archacha ni mo. Mau. Mau. Anyway, cheva. No, wow. No, wow. No, how.
Okay, do them.
Sit, sit. Ne? Okay, now it's yeah, go pake.
Hey, bye. Again. Oh, there's a long way getting over. There's a long way getting over.
I got a marajola, but to bas na steady. Yalala chef pikokoloing. Alwen. So you're the weirdest for me. But I weird because I did it with you. Probably. Eh?
Guys.
No. I can't. No, I was joking, guys. I just wanted to hear ring. No, I've never. No. Never. But kokoloing is not weird though.
It's not.
Yeah. But for us, you're not the weirdest. So, yep, guys. So, tell me what you think in the comment section about the whole episode. And, yeah, you can play the game with your partner and, yeah, do the most burning couples questions. Okay, just to get more interneting, no judging. No judging, ne? What's that question? The burning question. Wow.
A burning question? I don't have a burning question.
Huh?
How much do you love me?
On a scale or G? I love you too much.
On a scale of hell and heaven. On a scale, if you were to lie, you're gonna go to hell. And on a scale, if that you tell the truth, you're going to heaven. Be honest.
You rati haholo too much haholo fela. Ke rata haholo ho latele my two bikinis.
Are you sure you don't love them more than me?
I can repel. You must understand, or before there was them, there was us. And Abona, they were created out of the love that we both had. So you come first, then they come second.
Okay.
Get come second. Yeah. Then okay, now what burning question would I want to ask you? No under 18s, guys. Orata style safe.
What's it?
Hairstyle. Kiwaka hairstyle.
I come on with us. What's it?
Orata hairstyle. Orata hairstyle.
Chisco.
Come on.
Rata Chisco.
Go in. Then kona.
Go in. Molo go ratanga ke o bitsa ngo.
Free hand.
Ke free hand. Ona mo o friend.
Without earpiece and get ona ne ke rata o lwa o le ke lwe so then ke kenye earpiece mo. Ba ke free hand ya fish.
Ya rata da jana.
Okay, go Qamngana, which style do you like?
I like style.
Why? Okay, liquile. So yeah, guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. You can give us ideas if there's any videos that you want to see of both of us together on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Love you to the moon and back from the soon to be Mahlatis. Love you so much, guys. Mwah. 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 Banana. Mwah. Bona wa choma ka bobe.
I think one question teacher when I got off the question.